Hell yeah, it's worthy. Cabbage rolls without rolling the cabbage. Right there. You're welcome. Alright, listen. I got leftover rice, sad veggies, clearance pork, and a head of cabbage that's seen better days. Let's make dinner that doesn't feel like a struggle. And what came out? $1 million casserole recipe. And yes, it's in the crock pot, obviously. First up, brown your pork. While you're waiting for your pan to heat up, turn on your crock pot to high. Let her warm up. Oil. Brush said oil around. Dump that pork in there. Handy smasher of the meat. Smash it up real good like. Don't get pork all over your counter. Dill weed. Celery seed. Just a pinch. Pepper. And your salts. Just like that. Continue to smash it until it's cooked. It's browning up beautifully. Chop up an onion. And of course use your steak knife. Beautiful. You hear what I'm saying? Ooh! Take your beautiful onions and put them right into your meat. Smash them up. And again, don't throw it all over your counter because it just makes a giant mess. Definitely want to continue to let that cook until it's not pink. Pork is dangerous, friends. Now you're going to want to chop your sad head of cabbage. Take off your outer pieces, wash your cabbage. Give it a good scrub down. You know? Who doesn't love a nice clean cabbage? Finished. We're not going to use the whole thing. We're only going to use about half. So use your steak knife. Cut into that sucker like she's done you dirty. Cut out your core just like that. Feed your leftover parts to the chickens. And we're going to take half of this guy. Yes. Just like this. Save the other half for tomorrow. We need to turn this into baby shredded cabbages. Itty bitty slices. Just like this. It's a lot harder than you think. Cabbage is hard. It's really hard. We're getting there. Oh God, my hands hurt so bad. And my hands are done. They're dead. They've checked out. My poor steak knives. There you have it. Nice shredded, thinly sliced cabbage. Don't forget about your meat because it's probably burning while you're chopping up the cabbage. Yep, sure was. Give it a good stir. Make sure there's no pink guys left. You can use whatever kind of meat you want. I found pork on clearance, so we're going with that. And originally, this dish is made with pork. All right, there we go. Nice, browned, beautiful sauteed onions and pork and seasonings. You shut it off. Now this is where it gets fun. Start with a heated crock pot. Some oil. Splash the oil around in the inside. Next up, you're going to take some sort of tomato juice. Either juice or sauce or something tomato and liquid. You're just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on the bottom. And that's hot. Next in, you're going to take some of your shards of your cabbage and you're going to throw it right on in there. Just like this. Beautiful. Next up, you're going to want some form of tomato. These are canned tomatoes from the garden. You can use petite diced, any kind of diced, whatever you want. Dump some of that right in there like that. Now, let's take some more dill weed. Sprinkle that in there real good. Dill seed, just a little bit. Now you're going to want to salt and pepper the piss out of it. Give it a good shake down of salt, pepper, and you want paprika. A hefty dose of paprika. Sprinkle that right in there real good. Now take some of your ground pork and cover that layer a little bit. Oh my God, this is so good. This is so tasty. That's fabulous. That's happening. Take your pork and sprinkle it on in a nice rogue layer. You know, just get it in there real good like. Just like that. Next step's a little unconventional. We're going to add mozzarella cheese on top of the meat. Sprinkle a good layer. Let it know who's boss. You, of course. Thanks, Sam's Club. Love your moz. Now you're going to take some of your leftover veg and you're going to sprinkle some of that on top. Broccoli, cabbage, water chestnuts, carrots, you know, random stuff. Snap peas, I don't know what else in there. And this is where the magic happens. Take your leftover rice, cooked rice. You're going to do a layer of rice. And it's pretty hard, but it's not dried out, so that's good. From yesterday, I always cook too much rice. Gotta come up with ideas to use it, you know what I'm saying? There we go. Just like that. This is where you should be looking. Continue making your layers of doom. Another layer of cabbage. Perfect. Push it down. Your tomato sauce or juice or whatever it is that you're using here. There we go. Some tomatoes. Paprika. So there's not a Hungarian dish without paprika. You know? Just go to town with the paprika. It's so good. Let's do another layer of our leftover veg. Let's come in hot with some more pork. Just come out of it already. There we go. It's working great. Just like that. Spread it out. Let's do some salts and peppers. Pepper. A little bit more dill weed. Just a pinch. A little bit more seed. Just like that. Let's do another layer of rice. Come on, rice. Work with me here. Just like that. Beautiful. Do one more container of tomatoes. And we really want to coat this sucker. You know what I'm saying? There's some green peppers and onions in those tomatoes too. Spread it around. Let's put the rest of our cabbages on there. Looks good. Let's frantically top it with some more paprika. Because who doesn't love it? You know? If your cabbage isn't orange, it ain't good. You know what I'm saying? Oh my God, I forgot the garlic. Well, that's unfortunate. So, I guess we will roll in with some garlic powder. I usually put garlic in my meat, but I forgot. So we're gonna throw some garlic powder on there, because why not? Now we're gonna let this sucker cook for a couple hours in that crock pot on high. We're gonna top it with some cheese before we serve it, let it melt down and get all bubbly. And we'll see how she turns out. Ding, 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 she's done. It's nice and cooked all the way through. Coat her with another pile of cheese. Just like that. Finish off with a sprinkle of paprika, a dash of dill weed, and some chives. Put the lid back on and let the cheese melt. Let's take a peek. Oh my God. Look at that cheesy melty goodness. So beautiful. Let's plate it up. Let's do it. Let's do it. It smells fabulous. Oh my God. So good. So good. All right, let's add the finishing touches. A little dollop of knockoff daisy. Put that right on top. Is it worthy? Hell yeah, it's worthy. Cabbage rolls without rolling the cabbage. Right there. You're welcome. Oh, this is tasty. This is really tasty. That's what I'm talking about. If you're not making this, you're suffering for no reason. Until next time, friends. Bye.